Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Giordano. Today we're going to be talking about creating a hero/heroine for our fairy tale stories. So yesterday we chose the settings for our story. And we know that a setting is the place and time in the story. So for one of our heroes, and we picked one for our villains, right? We were also able to describe the setting using descriptive language, which is going to help paint a picture in your readers' minds when they are reading your stories. So today we will be choosing our hero/heroine that could go along with the setting we chose yesterday. So we will be also making them interesting by adding magical elements and helpers to our characters. So the characters in a fairy tale kind of go like this. We know that there's make-believe people or animals or creatures, that there's talking creatures, right? There's talking animals. There's also magical creatures, which might include mermaids or unicorns. Then there's royalty with kings and queens, princesses and princes, right? So the characters in a fairy tale story, okay, also have those helpers. And a helper is somebody who could help your hero solve the problem. So for instance, if I think about Snow White, and she has the 7 dwarfs as her helpers, right? Well, if I think about a magical element and I think about Cinderella, I think about her glass slippers. So yesterday I chose a castle as the setting for my hero/heroine, right? So today I want to think about what is going to go with my castle, what type of character. And the type of character I'm choosing is a princess, and a princess who lives in a castle. Her name is Tricella, okay? And I will be making my character interesting by making her very beautiful and kind and lovely. And she has a little elf friend who is very loyal to her. And that elf, her name is Elfrin. And Elfrin has a wand that has magic. Now remember, when you're creating a character, make sure that he or she goes well with your setting. So I picked a princess, and I thought what would go with a princess? Well, a castle would, right? So if you have a castle that's under the sea, you might want to pick a mermaid, okay? So now I want you to look at the paper that's going to be, the activity that's going to be on Seesaw. And you are going to be creating a hero/heroine. So you're going to fill in the details about your character. And you're going to make a little illustration in the 3 boxes that are there for you. So you're going to be filling in the magical element. You're going to be picking a helper's name and what can he or she do. What is he going to be helping your character? And then you need to really think about what is your main character going to be. Is it going to be a boy, a girl? Okay, and you want to think about your setting so that will help you when you're creating your character today. Okay, so when you go off and write today, I want you to remember your hero/heroine that goes along with your setting and make those characters interesting by adding magical elements and a helper to go with it. Okay, if you need to, you can rewind the video to listen if you are stuck. Okay, remember, always brainstorm in your writer's notebooks first, and then you can go ahead and upload all of your information into the template in Seesaw. We can't wait to see your characters today. Have fun.